anticipatory bail application,
Unlisted?
unlisted AB.
Maybe. Why? Tomorrow?
Lordship, it's an urgent
What is the urgency?
apprehending arrest, Lordship.
So when FIR was filed?
FIR was filed on 7 February 2026.
Oh, tomorrow. On list.
Lordship, if it may be taken up to Lordship till
Let it be listed tomorrow. It's also 7 FIR was filed. Not very urgent.
in connection with this instant case, some of the accused, they have been arrested. So the police are looking, because I am only the sole bread earner. My
What is the offense?
offense is actually directly I am not involved. I have adopted a child, but then thereafter the mother they allege that he has taken money, but we have not given money. That's all. That is all the allegation. And whatever allegation or FIR has been lodged is against the other accused, not even in the FIR also. There is no
You are
whispering
not
of my
named
name.
in FIR.
Lordship?
You are not named in FIR.
No, I'm apprehending, but
Is a POXO case also involved?
no.
Juvenile?
Trafficking
labor?
or child labor, that is the allegations, but I am not connected with that. But I am apprehending. I'll be arrested.
You have
They
adopted.
are looking.
You have adopted the child.
Yes.
So they are alleging that this adoption is an illegal. This is you against you only, it appears.
No,
You have adopted a child.
the
The allegation is that
No.
it is illegal.
FIR is against other child, other woman.
Okay,
But
and
yes,
you are?
in due course of investigation, the IO has revealed that accused lady has revealed that this child is also mine, and he has sold me like
Oh.
that.
Okay, you are father of the child.
I am father of two children.
Adopted.
Yes,
Adopted father.
yes.
No. You are the biological father or adopted father?
No, adopted father.
You are adopted two child.
Yes. No, only one. Already I have two male child, but I have only one female child I have adopted. So they are falsely implicating me. So I am apprehending.
Is the last item. But then normally we don't entertain the mention, huh? It has to be on the next step. This the last item.
Outline notes. May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18, 19, and 20 on behalf of K. Tama, Your Lordship. I have already taken consent from the other side, Your Lordship. There is some personal difficulties. So therefore, this matter may be adjourned for today and fixed after 2 weeks.
Oh, this is. When do you want?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
This is appeal.
Yes, Your Lordship. In this case, Your Lordship, since the respondent, he is a sole respondent, he has been passed away during the pendency of this case, Your Lordship. So during the pendency of this case, the respondent is passed away. So he
Respondent passed away.
Passed away, yes, Your Lordship. And there's also one order also, wherein the petitioner, they have made in prayer that they wanted to substitute the respondent. However, Your Lordship, till date, they have not filed any necessary application. So therefore, they may be directed to file. Otherwise, this case will be.
Who appeared for the respondent then?
Yes, Your Lordship. They are for the petitioner. My Lord, I am for the petitioner, my Lord.
You are for the petitioner. You are
Yes, my
for?
Lord. Respondent, sole respondent.
Okay.
My Lord, in this case,
So the respondent expired.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You want to, so you have to file then,
yes, my Lord,
substitution petition in that case?
yes, we are trying to file implement petition, my Lord, for legal here, but due to some
Okay.
difficulties, we cannot find the name of the legal here.
You provide, you know?
Yes, Your Lordship. Five can be made.
Okay.
Hmm.
Mr.
And sorry.
Land Council for the appellant submits that during the pendency of this criminal appeal, the sole respondent expired he passed away, and therefore he needs to file substitution petition, for which he requires some time to ascertain the legal year, legal years of the deceased. In the criminal appeal, how it can be? It's a criminal appeal.
Yes,
Yes,
Your Lordship, criminal appeal.
Basically, it is challenging the Honorable CGM UP court order.
Accused is the appellant is the accused.
Yes. No, Your Lordship, respondent is the accused. He was acquitted from CGM UPR.
Respondent was acquitted.
Yes, Your Lordship. He was the accused. in
That
that
he passed away. He
He
is no
passed
longer,
away.
no more.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If
Therefore,
in the criminal, there was a punishment against him.
he was acquitted, Your Lordship.
He was acquitted.
Yes,
Actually,
that's no-
Acquittal against the acquittal.
yes, Your Lordship. They have made an appeal, criminal appeal.
My lord, actually, in this case, we have filed 5.
Now, don't you
NIA.
think that the accused, on his death, the case against him abated?
My lord,
Yes, Your Lordship.
in this regard, my lord, there is some financially involvement, the NIA, my lord.
In the criminal?
Yes, my lord, in CGM
We
court.
try to find out, this is criminal,
Yes, Your Lordship.
and accused, if the accused expired,
Yeah.
then case against him abated.
Yes, Your Lordship.
My lord, in this regard, his legal here is there.
So legally, how he can be punished?
Therefore, my lord, this is especially on check bounce case, my lord.
This is check bounce case.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Passes away. In this regard, we need some time to obtain instruction and to file substitution petition with required. Start. For which the and prays for. He is actually praying for.
Oh, yes,
Yes, my lord.
He should pray.
yes.
Why you should pray?
Your Lordship, actually, I was addressing before this court that on 27/9/2024,
Hmm.
they have already made a prayer to make a substitution. So
Okay.
since then till today, they have not filed any
They should
necessary.
have made a prayer,
Therefore,
not you.
my humble submission was that my prayer was that, Your Lordship, this may be the last opportunity to substitute the respondent. If not, then this case may be.
You were otherwise you were praying for adjournment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
My lord, in this regard,
Okay,
the respondent
prayer is
will
allowed.
be given the name of the.
Prayer is allowed. Okay, this is matter after 3 weeks. During 3 weeks. In the meantime, the appellant shall file necessary application for substitution of the respondent. Okay. Okay.
Highly obliged.
Take look.
Mr. His name, huh? Your name is not there?
I'm on behalf of Ketama.
Okay, appear on behalf of Mr. K. Tamarani, counsel for the respondent. Huh? You just help furnishing the name of the legal heir.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'll
Okay.
find out now. Highly obliged.
Take look.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22. From the petitioner side, my senior counsel is out of station. So kindly the matter may be adjourned for today, and I have taken the consent from the respondent side of already.
Okay. PT Tara for respondent. Okay,
And
Mr.
PP also is there.
Did you know? Land counsel submits that is her senior who will be arguing the matter. He is out of station, therefore pray for adjournment of the matter. For how, when do you want? After 2 weeks?
After 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks. Prayer allowed. She has also obtained consent from the counsel for the other side. His prayer for come and list this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Myself.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, item number 7.
7.
Yes. Sir, my lord, my senior Mr. Tiri Tara is out of station. This matter may be adjourned.
Have you informed the other?
Yes, I have taken consent from the other side.
Mr.
T. Kamchi,
The council summarized that the conducting council, Mr. P.P. Tara, Lana council for the petition. He is out of session, therefore pray for adjournment of the matter. He has also obtained counsel from the Lana council of the other side. Wait for come at least this matter after 3 weeks.
After 2 weeks,
After 2 weeks. Okay.
interim may be continued.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much of it.
May I, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. I'm appealing on behalf of Diki Pangin. I have taken consent from the other parties, so kindly this matter will be fixed after 3 weeks.
Mr. You are Mr.
Sita, jo appealing on behalf of Deepangi.
Your name is not there.
No, Your Lordship, I'm appealing on behalf.
Let a mention on behalf of Mr. Diki Pang, Nana Council for the petitioner. For adjournment of the matter for
3 weeks.
3 weeks, to which the Nana Council for the other side has no objection. They are allowed. This matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
My Lordship, I beg to mention the item number 9 for adjournment. As the conducting council is out of its station. It may be listed after 2 weeks.
Okay. Your name
Artsuna, sir. I'm on behalf of Artsuna.
and your good name?
Gautam Natung, sir.
Familiar with that, huh? Mr. Swain, mention on behalf of Mr. Arshana. Okay, have you informed what?
Yes, sir. We have
what-
taken the consent, sir.
Okay, he has also obtained consent from the Nana Council appearing on behalf of the respondent. Okay, the prayer is allowed. Please pray for this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay,
So, and also, sir, my Lordship, I beg to mention the item number 10 for adjournment.
here also have you informed?
Yes, sir. We have taken the consent.
Similar order, 10. You are for? Respondent here, okay. Prayer for adjournment, made a mention on behalf of Mr. Rajasona, seeking adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks, to which Mr. County Council for the respondent has no objection. Prayer allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
May I, Lords?
Mm.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12 on behalf of Mr. T. Tofu, leading counsel for the petitioner. Lordship, due to health issue, leading counsel is not present today, so matter may be listed tomorrow.
Mr.
I'm
You are Mr.
T. Takyang.
County Council for the petitioner submit checks. The Lana leading Mr. T. Topu, Lana Council for the applicant. Mr. Applicant. The petitioner is indisposed. Therefore, pray for adjournment of the matter for a day. Pray for tomorrow. Day after
Yes.
tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow, Lordship.
Okay. Let's pray. List this matter tomorrow. Okay.
Much obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. Item number 5. I am informed by the opposite counsel that he is not able to appear today. So Lordship may kindly adjourn the matter for today.
Okay, Mr.
A. Gamre.
Lana Council appearing on behalf of the petitioner submits that the counsel for the opposite part, the respondent has requested him, respondent informing that they are unable to appear the court today and therefore requested him to take adjournment of the matter for a day. Accordingly, the matter stand adjourned. List this matter as prayed for, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Yes. Lordship, there is an interim order.
The
in this.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next day of listing.
Obliged.
My Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, the conducting council also
Item?
number 6.
Okay, already adjourned now.
No,
It was 6.
No,
it was
5. Lord.
5.
Oh, it was 5.
Previous one is 5.
Okay, this is 6.
Yes.
Then it was on,
And I am for the
5, huh?
petitioner number 3 and 4. Correspondent, sorry.
this is, you are mentioning now 6
Yes.
on behalf of
Arjuna, conducting counsel.
Okay, for respondent,
Yes.
I'm for the petitioner, your lordship.
you are for the petition.
Respondent number 3 and 4.
3 and 4,
Yes.
seeking adjournment.
Yes. The conducting counsel is
No objection.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, Miss
M. Jara, Meenakshi.
Lana Counsel for the respondent number 3 and 4. Praise for adjournment of the matter. Submits that the planet, the leading counsel for the respondent is out of station, therefore seek adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks, to which Miss Handy, planet counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner has no objection. They are allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship, there is an interim that
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next day of listing. Okay.
Much.
Item number 1.
May I please? My
Yes.
my lord, this is a civil revision petition against the execution order passed by the deputy commissioner.
How the revision lies?
My lord,
How the revision lies against the execution order?
since it is not appealable and since it is not final order, so the revision may be live.
So not final order.
Yes.
Whatever.
But
Let us see the order. Impugn order.
in order, page number
Answer.
44 to 46.
Hmm?
Page number 44 to 46.
Okay, this is not final order.
This is not final order.
So as because this is not final order,
They
the
have
revision
passed-
lies.
Yes, they
How?
have passed in such a manner that it is a final order.
It is
They have passed in such a manner, the deputy commissioner has passed an order.
in the execution is like that only.
Yes,
What is wrong in it?
Your Honor, here, the judgment debtor was already died after the passing of the decree.
After?
After the passing of the decree.
Hmm.
And the judgment debtor has to pay around rupees 35 lakhs to the decree holder.
Along with the interest.
Not along with the interest, just 35 lakhs and some more amount, 35 lakhs, 59,000 something. And my lord, after the death of the judgment debtor, a legal representative was implemented
Yes.
under Order 22 Rule 4 and Section 50 of the CPC.
Hmm.
But what the Deputy Commissioner has did is without assessing whether any amount of property is inherited by the legal representative or not. She has passed the order. The Deputy Commissioner has passed the order to attach the properties of the legal representative, whereas legal representative is not personally liable. They are there to only assist the court so that the execution does not abate, my lord. But they are being treated as the judgment debtor only. So this is the issue, my lord. And Section 52, Section 50, subsection 2 of the CPC is totally disregarded.
What it is provided in under section 50?
Section 50, it states that legal representative is liable only to the extent of the inherited property. And Section 50, subsection 2, here the executing court must have compelled to show whether some kind of inheritance has been occurred between the judgment debtor and the legal representative. But no such assessment was done. No such assessment was done, and just they passed the order that the legal representative are liable to pay the decretal amount of the judgment debtor. And my lord, An order is, my lord, also silence about the specific property of the judgment debtor at the time of his death.
Hmm.
An order is also silent about the specific properties of the judgment debtor during the time of death. And now the executing court has delegated their duty to the,
That is a fact of the case. What jurisdictional error has committed thereby?
yes,
What jurisdictional error?
yes, procedural error, my lord. Procedural section 50,
Procedural.
yes, procedural error. Section 50, subsection 2 has been totally disregarded.
For the procedural error, how the revision lies? Unless the jurisdictional error is committed. Can you
Yes.
see the 115? You have come under
Yes,
115.
I have come under the 115.
Can you see?
Yes, Your Honor, since there are no other alternative remedy for this, since the Deputy Commissioner has practiced this,
Have you filed appeal against decree?
I'm
Is
not,
any decree pending? Is any appeal pending against the decree?
no, my lord.
Then
My lord, I'm not
What-
challenging the decree here
you're,
because I am the legal representative. I'm not the judgment debtor. Both different entity.
but then this was started when the
Yes,
judgment debtor was still alive.
yes. Decree was passed on 2018 and judgment debtor was implemented on the 2025 itself. Only.
The present one.
Yes. On the 9th January of 2025. So now, my lord, after this execution order,
Alice also made
after the now the SDPO of the Papumbara district also issuing a coercive action against the legal representative.
when?
It is dated 10 February 2026. They have directed the police also to take a coercive action against the legal representative. So whereas no such property has been inherited.
When judgment debtor expired?
On 4th January 2025.
But on 29/8/2024, he appeared before the execution court. Personally appeared,
Yes, my
and
lord.
he has admitted his liability and stated that due to financial difficulties and loss of records in fire, he was unable, but agreed to part with his Bamboo Grove. Bamboo Grove is part of the property you have inherited.
No,
Bamboo Grove is mentioned.
it is not a part of property. My lord, whether
The
the,
Bamboo Grove doesn't belong to you.
yes, my lord.
Let the respondent ascertain the property. Whether the respondent has ascertained the property
No,
to be attached. or
even the
inherited
respondent doesn't know where this bamboo group lies. And me being a legal representative, I also don't know where
And
this
then
bamboo
the
group lies.
execution court granted time to the judgment debtor, and thereafter, of course, it appears that he expired. He passed away. And you have also accepted the fact that you are the legal heir.
My lord, what the execution court should have done is they should have framed a specific issue on the point such as calling for affidavit of the asset, compelling the production of the land record if available,
That is true.
or other relevant documents from both sides who are asserting that I have some kind of property.
You are not
or asset.
asked for.
I have filed the reply on that day only. They have passed the judgment only. They have given me only 3 days to for filing for a reply also. So my lord, so may call for the record, and after assessing,
You are representing, why you have implemented deputy commissioner?
yes, deputy commissioner and a decree holder.
Deputy commissioner, commissioner passed order in the capacity of the executing court.
Yes,
Why you have implemented?
my lord.
Can the court be implemented?
No, my lord, court cannot be implemented. But
Then
the order can be challenged, my lord.
yes, order can be challenged,
Yes,
but why you have implemented the court, executing court?
my lord, if
Are you
this
for the
impugn-
deputy commissioner?
Lordship.
my lord, if this impugn order doesn't stop, then at any moment this coercive step may be taken, whether the property belongs to the judgment debtor or not. It will manifest gross injustice, my lord. My lord may call for the record and set aside the impugn order and may remand back the matter to the executing court after determining whether inheritance has happened or not.
In the moment we'll issue notice.
Yes. And my lord may stay the operation of the impugn order dated 4/11 and restrain respondent number 2 from taking any coercive action against the
Or
petitioners. D. Nime.
Land counsel for the petitioner. This civil revision petition under section 115 of the Code of Civil Procedure is directed against the order dated execution order dated 4/11/2025 passed by the deputy commissioner. Which deputy commissioner? Papumpara district.
Papumpara
Yeah.
district.
In execution petition number EP stroke Jude JUD dash 0951 stroke 2024. Whereby the deputy commissioner as executing court has objection filed by the respondent legal representative of the judgment debtor. has been rejected and directed the representative of the judgment debtor to satisfy the decretal amount or to hand over and transfer possession of the land and building as per the decree as per the mail decision. Stroke the bamboo grove located at Doimo. Within 15 days from the said order start from the said order, failing which coercive execution steps shall follow. Start. Para. It is submitted that during the pendency, the execution petition, the decree as the judgment that expired. When he expired, you said
4/1/25.
4/1/2025, and the petitioner being mother and son have been impleaded. Substituted. As respondent as judgment debtor. Respondent stroke judgment debtor. Despite their prayer that they did not inherit any movable or immovable property from the deceased, inherit any movable or immovable estate of the deceased. Starting. It is further submitted that the executing court, in spite of directing the decree holder to where have you stated that we should have been directed to
My lord.
identifying the property inherited by the applicant, legal representative, the executing court is directed for directed for taking coercive execution steps against the applicant, against a petitioner Stop. Para. Issue notice. Call for the record. Call for the scanned copy of the record. Stop. Issue notice returnable by, say, 4 weeks. Call for the scanned copy of the record. Stop and para. In the meantime, the operation of the execution order dated 4/11/2025 to the extent that it direct for initiation of coercive action against the respondent shall remain state. Stop. However, it is made clear that there shall be no stay with regards to the further execution proceeding in accordance with law. Okay. This is matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, records may be called for.
Also,
My lord, is there operation during the?
the coercive action,
Lordship.
Yes,
Stay.
coursive action.
Hmm.
Much applied.
Okay.
only coercive action, huh?
Much.
Not the other.
Item number 2.
My lord, this is a small matter, my lord. A quashing petition, my lord. Filed by the wife and the husband, my lord. Disposed, my lord.
Husband.
Yes, my, the offense involved is, my lord, 498A, my lord. And now, my lord, the parties, they are happily living together as spouse, my lord.
Hmm?
The parties, husband and wife, now they're happily living together. They've already reconciled.
Why you have all this photograph having grievous injury?
My lord, this is part of the charge sheet records, which I annexed, my lord. Charge sheet documents, my lord. My lord, but the offense involved is charge is also already been framed, my lord.
Charge also already
Yes,
framed.
madam. Yes, ma'am. Page number 55.
See the record and once.
Yes,
Okay,
Lordship.
see the record and pass order.
My lord, matter is fixed on this 25, my lord. So, my
Okay,
lord,
let it be. 25 for what?
for the PW, my lord.
PW.
Yes, my lord.
She has been called.
My lord, accused has been called, my lord. Husband has been called. Accused is the husband, my lord.
Accused is the husband.
Yes, my lord.
But then if it is for PW, wife must have been called also.
My lord. So, my lord,
Give deposition there.
My lord.
Says no further grievances. Give their statement.
now, my lord, accused person is posted in Impal, my lord, as NDRF, my lord. So, my lord, it will be difficult for him,
Maybe
my lord.
dispense can be prayed.
Lordship, difficulties is here the applicant not put the Lordship cognizance order also, Lordship. So as per the direction of the Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship, cognizance order has to be brought before the Lordship, put into record, Lordship.
It's not
In
next.
the not annexed,
My
Lordship.
lord, charge same order that I have. already-
Charge is different, Lordship.
Are you challenging?
My lord, charge frame order I have already challenged. That is page number, my lord, 55, my lord, page number 55.
When the cognizance taken? What it says, the Supreme Court order?
Lordship, in the Vishnu Bandhu, Lordship, reported in Lordship, total 25, Lordship. May I read the
Yes, please, the operative portion. Relevant portion.
Yes, Lordship. For 18 of Lordship.
Hmm.
From the perusal of the prayers so made in the present application, it is clear that the applicant has simply sought for quashing the FIR and he has not placed the charge sheet as well as the cognizance taken on the charge sheet by the competent court. Lordship.
Hmm.
Thus, in view of the judgment of Honorable Apex Court in from Dia Panjal Kulkarni, Lordship, since the charge sheet in the cognizance has not been placed on record, FIR cannot be quashed by invoking the provision of 6 effective. If Lordship ought to say, Lordship.
Okay, well, we'll call for the record. In the meantime, you can also incorporate the cognizance. Okay.
My lord.
Hmm.
In the meantime, my lord, if we state in exit, my
Uh,
lord, because like this person is posted.
No, why you have an access all these photographs? I thought you were against.
My lord, this is part of charge sheet, so I have an issue.
Okay. Heard Mr. Cody, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Lloyd, learned PP for the state staff. This application under section 528 of BNSS has been filed jointly by the accused and informant for praying for quashing and sitting inside of. Where have you mentioned the GR case number? You said that it has been.
Yes, my lord, there is GR case number mentioned, my lord, synopsis, my lord.
Synopsis.
Yes, my lord.
No, not in the course title.
Also in the course item, my lord.
So in the course title, you see, no, you normally this is an application for setting aside and quashing of all those what you want, what you are going to pray should be mentioned.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Why it has not been mentioned? Why you are putting difficulty?
In the prayer section, my lord, I have mentioned that. Inadvertently, it is not mentioned in the my lord, course title.
In the course title, it is easier to mention in the course title because in the course title you have to say for quashing and setting aside of all those what you want should be mentioned at one go.
My lord.
GR case number 66/2024 arising out of WPS case number 05/2024 charge sheet number 29/2024 WPS case number 5/2024 registered under section 498A stroke 323 semicolon charge sheet number 29/2024 dated 19/2/2024 semicolon and charges framed against the accused petitioner number 2 under section 498A 323. Staff, Mr. Kudu, learned counsel for the petitioner submitted the order of the cognizance order passed by the learned magistrate has not been challenged or incorporated in the petition. Therefore, he prays for incorporation of the cognizance order. Starting. Issue notice, call for the scanned copy of the trial court record. List this matter. Next week.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Hmm?
Just you have to file also IA, Lordship, for
In
my lord,
in a week,
corporation.
it's fine.
2nd March, my lord, 2nd March,
2nd March.
my lord.
Why?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
My lord.
Okay. Okay. Let's pray for command. This is matter on 2 March. Second, after 2 weeks.
My lord.
In the meantime, the petitioner is allowed to pray, allowed to incorporate the document by filing, by way of filing additional affidavit. Stop list is, okay. Okay,
My
after
lord.
2 weeks.
My lord, interim, my lord, because
With regard to the interim lordship, in fact, this application is not maintainable according
my lord,
with
there's
regard to this
technical-
judgment
my
lordship.
lord, there's technical.
So it's
issues that
not
I can
maintainable lordship.
Understand, my lord, but that I will get corrected before the next judgment. But my lord, since the accused person is now posted in Palmal,
No, so make a prayer for dispense of his appearance, since it's not a case where the witness doesn't recognize or will not recognize.
as my lord has also rightly observed, because petitioner, this one who is the wife, she have to also appear for the court. So,
When this was signed,
my lord, this was executed on page number, last page, my lord, page number 56, my lord.
Hmm?
Page number 56, my lord. My lord, at the end of the day, my lord, this matter will be quashed only, my lord, Storm.
11 February, he signed, he's still only.
My lord, he left for the duty, my lord. He's working as SI, sub-inspector in the NDR, now presently posted in Parliament.
It's not maintainable, why?
Lordship, as per this judgment, lordship, if this cognizant order is not incorporated, lordship, not put in
Now,
record, lordship.
now he'll incorporate now.
Yes, ma'am.
Court has allowed.
Yet he
Ah.
yet to file a application for incorporation of lordship.
Only till my lord next date, my lord.
Till then, in the meantime, till the next returnable date, the further proceedings of the GR case number and so arising out of women PS case number and so pending before the court of which court?
JMFC, Lana JMFC, UPM.
JMFC UPR, sir, the main state.
Deeply.
Okay, still returnable date only. No, yes. Item number 3.
Please, my lord, this is also my lord, quashing of the FIR dated 1st January 2026. And this is not my lord, this is not the joint petition. This is filed by this accused. First of all, I will take the lordship today, this FIR. The FIR, my lord, will find in the page number 19.
Forgery.
My lord, this is the 467, 468, 471, and 420 and 34 IPC. Now, my lord, this is the era of BNS. This case was, my lord, registered on 1st January 2026.
Okay. Why it was?
And firstly, my lord, on that ground that this,
Wait, which PS?
it is, my lord, from Itanagar PS case.
Itanagar is not very far away. BNS must have reached here.
My lord, exactly, my lord. This IPC is no more, my lord. The possibility of IPC, dealing to the IPC is only the case which has been pending before the commandments of the BNS, my lord. And secondly, my lord, this FIR has been lost out of the
When the FIR was lost, you said?
Ma-
26,
my lord, FIR on 1st January 2026.
1st January.
My lord. And written FIR, my lord, may kindly come to page number 22. FIR against me, my lord, this FIR, my lord, 22. So my lord, reading of the FIR itself is revealed that this is purely of the civil nature. And I admitted that my lord, there is civil nature is going on between me and the
What happened thereafter?
inform-
After this was registered under IPC.
my lord.
This probably before-
Thereafter,
before
my
filing
lord,
charge sheet,
in the name
probably.
of investigation, I have been called by the police for the many time, and accordingly, I have my lord.
But I think before filing of charge sheet or whether charge sheet filed? No, not yet.
No, my lord, so far.
Then at the time of filing charge sheet, probably they'll amend it.
Of course, my lord,
Mm.
they can change at the time
Because
of.
they are in habit of registering the case under IPC, it appears. But then they should have taken care of, yes.
My lord.
So,
So, my lord, what the
this is
FIR say, my lord,
for
this is,
quashing of FIR,
my lord. This FIR contained in page number 22. Here I am, my lord, praying for quashing of
now,
this.
forgery, how it is, forgery is civil? Forgery may not be the civil,
My lord.
it's a forgery, allegation of forgery.
Allegation of forgery and using of the and cheating, my lord.
Cheating
But-
is also not a.
My lord, what I mean to say, my lord,
Hmm.
if my lord go through the FIR,
Hmm.
I am admitted that there is a land dispute between me and this informant. And that was already been decided in favor of the informant by the DC office, Itanagar, that the allotment can be in his favor. Therefore, my lord, against the decision passed by the deputy commissioner,
Hmm.
I filed the WPC number 46625.
Okay.
And that notice was issued on 25/9/2025. My lord will find in it is start from page number 26 to
What happened to
27.
that? The case is still pending?
My lord, this case is pending before this honorable court.
This is in connection with the same case?
It's same case, exact, my lord. This is the same matter, my lord. That is why this FIR,
We'll
It's
call for
not
the record. We'll
reasonable.
call for the record and see. Okay?
my lord.
Yes.
Here, there is a private
If
respondent
it's the
also,
same.
private respondent also.
Okay, that's why we'll issue notice and call for the record, okay? Add Mr. Modi. Chief Modi Lana counsel for the petitioner. By filing this application under section 528 of BNSS 2023, the petitioner is petitioner is seeking quashing of the FIR dated 1/1/2026. File before which the
Officer in
officer
charge.
in charge, police station Itanagar, registered as Itanagar PS case number 01/2026 under section 467, 486, 471, 420, 34 IPC. Stop. After heard Mr. C. Modi, also heard Mr. G. Tado, then additional PP. Okay. Down below then, next para would be issue notice. Call for the scanned copy of the case diary. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent,
Number 2.
the private respondent number 2. And since Mr. Tado appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, no formal notice needed issued. However, the petitioner shall take step for service of notice upon the private respondent number 2 within 3 days from today. Staff. List this matter. When?
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship, whether this court has possibility to direct the OC concern to re-register the case under appropriate section of the BNS.
Okay. Mr. Then down below. Mr. Tadov submits that the line additional PP submits that although the FIR was lodged on when
1/1/2026.
after application of the however the case has been registered under IPC and not under BNSS. Therefore, we praise for direction to hire to register the offense under BNSS. instead
BNS.
of- BNS instead of IPC. Okay.
Yes, obliged.
Okay.
Yes.
Matter number 8.
My lordship. Lordship, I on behalf of JJ Lordship, but he instructed me to inform this on the court, but also the matter is sought out by the party outside the court. And for the reasons that the petitioner counsel also not appear before this court. He is from Namsai. So Lordship, on the consent of both the party, Lordship, this matter may be allowed to withdraw, Lordship.
Okay. Mr.
Jivam, on behalf of
Ivan,
JJ.
Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. J. Jimmy, Land Council for the respondent, submits that he had an instruction that the matter has been amicably resolved between the contesting parties and that the parties and that the parties do not want to pursue the matter and instructed him to withdraw this this appeal and since the matter has become infructuous, we have been instructed to withdraw this appeal. The further submits that the counsel, Mr. D.K. Deori, who appeared on behalf of the appellant, is also unable to appear the court. And he, however, he also made request to him to withdraw on their behalf. Staff. The prayer for withdrawal is allowed. This appeal stands dismissed or as withdrawn. Okay. In view of the above.
Matter number 11.
May I please request? Yes. On behalf of you, legal aid counsel, appointed represent victim, respondent 2 and 3, correct? And as per his instruction, so this matter has been wrongly listed today. It was supposed to be listed on 17th of March. Judge. They were supposed to be listed after the examination of the prosecution witness. Victim. Yes, Mr. Aydam. 17th of March. Yes, sir. But wrongly it has been written as April. February. Yes, sir. Okay, Mr. Aydam, Lana Council, appearing on behalf of the Mr. U. Bori Land Council for respondent number 2 and 3. The respondent number 2 and 3 submits that the matter was directed to be listed on 17 March 2026 after the examination of the victim. However, it has been wrongly listed today In view of the above, let this matter be listed on 17/3/2026. Okay.
Matter number 13.
In view of the above, and as prayed for, come.
Well, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this bail applications is filed for releasing of alleged accused persons who has been arrested on 5th to 2026 in connection with Anti-Corruption Bureau PS case numbers 2 of 2026 dated 03/02/2026 registered under section 7 and 13.
This is regular bail only.
Yes, yes, Lordship. CD was called for.
CD was called for.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, before Lordship, the FIR, Lordship. FIR is at Annexure 1, Lordship. Annexure 1, Lordship. Page number 7.
FIR.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
May I read, Lordship?
Hmm.
To the officer in charge, Anti-Corruption Bureau, Itanagar, past information report subject. Sir, it is informed that the work against care of constructions of RCC retaining wall at lower B sector adjacent to NH 415 Itanagar under CDB Itanagar for total cost of 97,71,169 was awarded to MS Palo Malo Enterprise Itanagar in Public Work Department Itanagar Capital Divisions B on dated 13/02/2023 through executions of power of attorney agreements between the proprietor Sri Tatung Takar Ama and me, that is the complainant. I have delegated the authority to execute the site project. Paragraph 2nd, Lordship. I have completed all the scope of work and completion certificates has been issued by Executive Engineer PWD Itanagar. I am supposed to receive total bill payments of rupees 40 lakhs from the work. Out of total bill, a check of rupees 20 lakhs 34,165 has been issued in favor of MS Palo Malo Enterprises and handed over to me by Sri Techi Joram Tara, Junior Engineer, PWD, Capital Division B. The another check for remaining bill of rupees 20 lakhs has been already issued from the division office. However, the Junior Engineer of PWD Itanagar, Capital Division B, Sri Techi Joram Tara has kept the second check with him and he is demanding bribe of rupees 8 lakhs from me as 20% of remaining work cost of 40 lakhs 34,165 to release the site second due check for amount of rupees 20 lakhs. The site junior engineers has openly demanded 8 lakhs bribe from me and he is harassing by forcefully extorting money. This is the FIR, content of the FIR, Lordships. On the receipt of this FIR, Lordship, the Anti-Corruption Bureau, Lordship, registered a FIR, Lordships. That is Annexure 2, Lordship. This is receipt. And Lordship, in this present case, Lordships, the alleged accused persons in here in this case, Lordships, is a driver who is working as a multitasking staff, Lordship, staff, Lordship, MTS, Lordship, was working and has been attached to the co-accused persons, Techi Joram Tara, Junior Engineer, Lordship, main accused, Lordship, main accused person, Lordship. And
yes, so and money was but recovered from him.
Money was recovered from me, Lordship.
Okay.
On the instruction, Lordship.
No, not from the money was recovered, not from the.
Yes, Lordship. Money was
not from the accused who has instructed you to collect.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Money is received from on the instructions, Lordship, which is clearly discernible from the remand order, Lordship. Remand order is annexure 4, Lordship. This is the fact, Lordship. Fact of the case, Lordship. Annexure 4, Lordship. Page 26, Lordship. This is remand order, page 26, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
Yes.
I have, Lordship, I start from paragraph 2, Lordship. The relevant portions of paragraph 2 and 3 is relevant, Lordship. In my case, Lordship. I have careful perusal the FIR, forwarding memo and other relevant record produced by IO. Seeing that allegations against the accused Sri Techi Joram Tara J. PWD is that he has demanded bribe of rupees 8 lakhs for disbursements of check regarding the work of constructions regarding wall performed by informant Tatung Tania as power of attorney holder of MS Palo Malo Enterprises. It is alleged that site Palo Malo Enterprises was awarded with work for constructions of retaining wall at lower B sector adjacent to NH 415 Itanagar by the executive engineer PWD capital divisions for amounting of rupees so and so. After completion of work certificate issued by the executive engineer, the informant was received a total bill about 40 lakhs from executive engineer PWD capital divisions has drawn 2 checks. First check amounts of rupees 20 lakhs 34,165 was already handed over to informant by J, the main accused of this case, Lordship, PWD Sri Techi Joram Tara. However, site J has demanded rupees 8 lakhs as bribe from the informant for handing over the remaining check for bill 20 lakhs, calculating 20% upon the total bill amounting of rupees 40 lakhs. On receipt of site FIR, so and so has been registered Anti-Corruption Bureau case numbers 02/2026 under section 7 and 13 subclause 2 of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 and endorse the same to Inspector W. Kamha for investigation. And paragraph 3, Lordship, paragraph 3 is relevant in my case, Lordship. During the investigation on trap on 4/02/2026, trap was laid to apprehend the accused persons, namely Techi Joram Tara, red-handed. An amount of rupees 50,000 of 50 denominations was produced by the informant. The same is tainted with inotropinium powder and asked the accused Techi Joram Tara, the informant and independent witness went to Junction Cafe and Restaurant for handing over the bribe money and receiving check of rupees 20,000 from Techi Joram Tara. The other police officials were waiting nearby, but on that day, Techi Joram Tara has suspected the informant and denied to receive the bribe money and handed over the check to the informant and left abruptly. On the next day, Lordship, here my involvement is dear Lordship. On the next day, the Techi Joram Tara has called the informant and disclosed that his driver is Lordship alleged accused persons. Not present applicants, not alleged accused person, Lordship. His driver is coming to hand over the check to the informant and collect the bribe money. The informant disclosed the same to the investigation agency. As per the disclosure informations, the independent witness and police persons waiting at the Saturday market area near Chimpu, accused so and so come with one Maruti Ignis car bearing registration number so and so and approach the informant stating that he is sent by JPWD Techi Joram Tara. Accused so and so has handed over check of rupees to informant and received the tainted money. And immediately police team who hid hiding nearby come in actions and apprehend so and so red-handed in presence of independent witness. When his hand was dipped in solutions of sodium carbonate, it turned into pink color. The IO has seized tainted money and check and on preliminary investigations. So and so has disclosed that alleged accused person lordship that has disclosed that he is sent by JPWD Techi Joram Tara for handing over the check and collecting the bribe money from informant. The accused Techi Joram Tara is intercepted at Papunala, who was on run. Both the accused persons, namely Iten Riva and Techi Joram Tara, are arrested in this case. Lordship, in this case, lordship, actually, lordship, what happened in this case, lordship? The petitioner, lordship, the alleged accused person, lordship, is a MTS driver, lordship. MTS, lordship, engaged as a driver who have been attached to the alleged accused person, main accused persons, J, lordship, junior engineers, lordship. And on the instruction, lordship, on the instructions, lordship, on the instructions of the J,
Have you filed bail application before the trial
No.
court?
no, lordship.
Why?
No, lordship, not filed.
Why?
lordship.
Why
Lordship,
not file?
Lordship, I straightway filed this bail application.
Why?
Lordship, this lordship 483, lordship, parallel power is there, lordship.
Parallel power, but then you have to approach before the lowest court first.
Lordship, there is parallel power,
You
lordship.
file before the trial court.
Lordship, lordship, may please to lordship, grant lordship, the bail, lordship.
Why?
Otherwise, lordship, the involvement, lordship, he is from the record, lordship, he is
Because
innocent,
the
lordship.
trial court knows best
Lordship,
what is to be done with the accused,
lordship,
whether he's involved
he
or
is the
not.
lordship, innocent, lordship.
How
is
he can,
only-
you know, he
only-
himself is
no,
stated that
lordship.
he was asked to deliver the,
Yes, lordship, he is, in this case, lordship,
deliver the,
I
and then
respect, lordship.
collect the bribe amount.
Lordship,
He
he is
himself is stated.
instructed only, lordship, he is given, lordship, only envelope, lordship, and deliver the,
That was envelope, but
lordship.
then
Envelope,
he was
lordship, contain-
clearly instructed to
content of
collect the
envelope.
bribe amount.
lordship, not,
of
lordship,
20%.
they are not saying that just a driver, lordship, not a award of the, that,
Yes, there
This
is
is contained.
material against him. So what,
Yes, my lord, the submitting.
it appears he acted on the instruction of the main accused, but then he knew it. What is to be done?
Maybe he might have known like
Then he himself stated
yes,
that I was instructed to deliver the check and to collect the money.
yes, my lord. That is here, my lord.
Hmm.
That is already in the CD, my lord.
Hmm.
And it has been, if my lord turns to page 22, my lord, of the CD.
22 of the
22.
petition.
No, the CD.
Okay, yes, really.
Yes, the
Page 22.
22. The statement of the,
Yes.
sorry, my
J.
lord. 20 is the statement of the accused petitioner.
Hmm.
And 22 is the statement of the
Yes.
alleged, the co-accused. I mean,
Mhm.
I would say the main accused, the
Hmm.
junior engineer who has asked for the bribe money.
Hmm.
And it seems he was instructed by the, since he's a driver, contingency, he was instructed by the junior engineer to pick up the money and to give the money, the bribe money, I would say. But as far as, since my lord has already opined that the bail has to be filed before the lower court, my lord. So I would not submit on that point, my lord.
lordship, from the FIR itself, lordships, it is demanded by the main accused, lordships.
What he is, what the accused, whether the accused stated that he has sent the driver.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, my lord.
And where do we find?
22, my lord, page 22. Last paragraph, my lord. 22, my lord, last paragraph. May I read it, my lord?
Yes,
I admit Tatung Tanya was a contractor and I had a
last
check.
22
Page 23, sorry.
or 23.
23. I admit that Tatung Tanya was a
Okay.
contractor and I had to check in on so and so. A phone, after a phone conversation, I sent my driver. He can reply. He's the LS petitioner.
Is this original?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, sorry,
He can reply to hand it over. The day before at P sector, he offered case in an envelope as agreed by us over the phone, stating of more amounts in his vehicle. I refused. The next day, I handed over the check of his 20 lakhs to the contractor through Iken Riba. Our check of Iken Riba, our driver, Chokidar, doesn't know Tatung. I had instructed Sri Iken Riba to receive the item which the contractor gave him in check in exchange, and I would collect the same from Iken Riba later in the evening. I would like to add that once the contractor, who is the complainant of this case, wanted to reward me for my work during the monsoon, but I refused. It seems like the engineer was already taking gratification from the contractors. It is envisaged in the 160 statement.
so, whether what the status report says, whether he is required, further remand is required, or custodial remand of the
submit-
present accused.
To submit fairly, my lord, in my humble submission, my lord, being an officer of this honorable court, my lord.
Okay.
It seems like he's,
He's not the one,
yes, my,
but then although he knew it,
yes, my lord.
but then otherwise he was sent by the authority.
Yes, my lord. In my humble submission, my lord, fairly, my lord, I don't think his,
What the IO says, whether he's
IO says nothing, my lord. He just says like, he has just given the status of the report.
statement recorded,
Yes, my lord.
and then no further.
In my humble submission, my lord, detention would not be required, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Learning Counsel for the petitioner. I also heard Mr. Opada, Learning Standing Counsel, ACV for the state respondent. Staff of Para. By filing this application under section 483 of the BNS, BNSS 2023. The petitioner prays for releasing of the accused. What is his name? It's
Jumga petitioner is a
no,
story.
accused.
Is it Iken Riba?
Iken Riba, who has been arrested
On 5th.
on 5/2/2026 in connection with ACB PS case number FIR number 02/2026 under section 7 and 13 within bracket 2 of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Staff, Para. The case of the petitioner is that the accused is who he is the MPS.
Yes, Lordship. MTS, Lordship. In my paragraph, Lordship, 4 Lordships,
Paragraph
contingency multitasking staff who is engaged as a driver, Lordship.
Oh, he is a contingent.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, he is a contingency multitasking staff within bracket MTS under the Public Work Department, Capital Division, Itanagar. And has been engaged as a driver attached to one Sri Techi Joram Tara, Junior Engineer, PWD, Capital Division B. Start. It is stated that on the incident day, when the incident took place,
Incident on 5th Lordship,
hmm?
5th February,
Feb-
5 February
okay, 5,
2026.
where have you stated?
Lordship, I'm stated in my paragraph, Lordship. I clearly stated in my paragraph, Lordship. Paragraph,
There are 5. Okay,
not exact, this is,
Para 5, page 5.
hmm. These payment bills are not connected with the present
Lordship,
use.
my paragraph, Lordship, 7, Lordship, page 7, Lordship, F,
Just a
Lordship,
minute. Hmm.
F, I am stated, Lordship.
Hmm. Paragraph,
Paragraph 7, Lordship. Paragraph 7, Lordship. Page 7, Lordship. F, Lordship.
where you have you stated that you were directed to deliver? Where
Yes,
have
Lordship,
you-
I'm Lordship, in paragraph, Lordship, 8, phase 8, Lordship.
Eight?
Phase 8, Lordship. Second paragraph, Lordship. As for the directions of co-accused, Lordship. Second paragraph, Lordship. And Lordship, paragraph F is fact of my case, Lordship.
Okay. The case with the petitioner is that on 5/2/2026, on the day when the incident took place, the co-accused junior in the the co-accused junior engineer picked the accused, picked up the accused from the usual location where he generally used to wait for his junior engineer, and both went to EPWD office. Oh no. No, not this one. Where he was directed to collect, hand over and collect. Where is
Lordship,
that?
here, Lordship, paragraph, page 8, Lordship. This is connected paragraph, Lordship. If, Lordship, may I read, Lordship, this paragraph?
Okay. So he was directed, okay.
Lordship.
Also. Hmm.
All right. Lordship.
Okay, I'll give the give the dictation at 2. Okay. The rest of the dictation.
Yes, Lordship.
We'll continue at 2.
Yes, Lordship.
Any other method is there? How many methods are there? Okay, we have some more. Hmm. I'll complete it. Hmm.
Lordship.
So already dictated
My lord,
and then only the amount 1 lakh.
Lordship, it's too high. It's contingency stuff.
Okay, how much?
Lordship, 10,000 Lordship.
no.
It's Lordship.
How much is reasonable?
Reasonable.
He has become an instrument and easily being used and paid for how much?
50.
50.
Like amount. It will always like amount, not case, like amount.
Make it 50.
Lordship, it's too high, Lordship. Lordship may kindly considers as being a.
You know your capacity. That is why you are being easily used.
And my lord,
People, even if contingent also, if he is strong enough, and he will not be easily used. You have been easily used. You are getting paid for that.
and my lord, the conditions that we,
Condition that he will cooperate,
my lord,
cooperate and appear before the eye of the case as and when called for.
my lord,
And then he will not influence, etc.
my lord,
Not
my lord.
hamper, temper, all those normal conditions, and will pay execute amount. This will be executed before the special judge, PCX,
You fear.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
special judge PCX. Okay.
All right.
Item number 14,
My lord, the CD maybe.
CD return of, I directed for return of CD, huh? Okay.
My lord, in this case, I think senior Mr. Son was appearing. And,
Okay.
apparently he's not here today.
The IA for what?
IA was for we have they have filed for the condonation and we have objected to it, my lord.
Okay. Oh, 2000, you have
Yes,
filed objection,
yes, my lord, because there is a delay of more than 2,200 days.
more than 2000, that is difficult.
So they were supposed to file their control affidavit, my lord.
Okay.
Right, order dated 26, 2025, my lord. 2011,
Okay.
but yet to file, my lord.
Mm.
2011, 2025.
No one appears on behalf of the applicant on call, however, Mr. Opada, Learned Counsel. For the respondent, you are for the appellant.
No, my lord, sole respondent, my lord.
Okay, respondent. Okay, the CRP not yet registered
My lord,
or registered otherwise, of course.
but then, my lord, since there is an IA, my lord,
Mm,
so we have
that is
objected
right,
to the
okay.
IA, my lord.
He is present in absence of the, you have already filed
Yes, my lord.
and
They were supposed to file
the
a control
the
affidavit on the
office
IA.
note also reflect that the applicant has applicant who was to file affidavit in reply has not yet filed. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
My lord,
Okay.
deeply obliged.
item number 15,
Please, my lord. My lord, last occasion, TCR was called for.
Okay,
Service.
I've received. I could receive. Okay, then. Okay. Mr. M. Ramalana, counsel for the appellant is present. Mr. Tado, G. Tado Lanet. Additional PP for the state is also present. Trial court record as code for has been received. The registry shall prepare. A registry is directed to prepare paper book and furnish a copy each to the Learned Counsel appearing on. So it has to be borne by, it is to be, the paper book is to be prepared at the expense of
This registry.
registry. Okay, furnish copy each to the counsel appearing on behalf of the parties and list it after preparing the paper book. Okay. Yeah.
Much.
item number 16,
Actually, brief is belongs to H. Lakshmi.
but she's not. This is a jail appeal.
Okay.
Appeal is forwarded by the DSP jail authority.
Okay. Mm.
And a legal aid counsel has to be appointed.
Okay. Mr. Tado Lane, no, G Tado, Lane additional people is present on behalf of the state. Since this is a jail appeal, filed through the
Judgment copy only.
Deputy Superintendent of Police, Superintendent of Jail, Teju, comma. And this court, she deem it proper to appoint one legal aid counsel to represent the appellant, accused appellant. Convict appellant, stop. Accordingly, any legal aid counsel is present today? No. Accordingly, what is this? POCSO?
POCSO.
Then Mr. M. Bagra from the penal advocate, penal of LSC, penal of legal aid counsel is appointed as legal aid counsel to represent the accused stroke convict and file necessary application, including memo of appeal. Is there any delay?
Might be because item 17 is a wife of this item 16. Item 17 is wife of item number 16, accused in item 16.
She is also accused.
Yes.
Okay.
He is for abatement.
Okay.
She is for abatement, and accused is for under section 4 POCSO.
Memo and condonation. Condonation application if required. Since the trial court record has been received, the registry is directed to furnish a copy of copy of the records entitled to the appellant for preparation of case on behalf of the appellant. Stop. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Yes.
Similar order.
Yes, similar order.
Similar order.
16, 17.
Item number 21.
Your Lordship, the leading counsel, due to seasonal period, he could not able to attend today before this honorable court, Your Lordship.
Okay.
The matter may be adjourned for today, Your Lordship.
He is a private or legal aid counsel?
Your Lordship, the leading counsel is for appellant, Your Lordship.
Okay. You are Mr.
Onitik, Your Lordship. I represent on behalf of Dilaji, Your Lordship.
You are Mr.
Onitik, Your Lordship. Onitik, Your Lordship.
O.
Nitik, Your Lordship.
Nitik.
Yes, Lord.
Land Council. Some states, the conducting counsel, Mr. Dulaji, legal aid counsel for the appellant, is not in the court today due to some personal difficulties, they have applied for adjournment of the matter. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 2 weeks. Start. And his presence be recorded, Mr. Yatni. Jikado, non-existing BP is present for the status permit. Okay.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 23, it's unlisted matter.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? To have the glimpse of to understand the buyer, may I take your Lordship at page 12
No,
Annex.
there is a defect in your petition. Requisite court fee also not paid. Notice served on the respondent PP. BP served. Okay.
Notice is already served, I believe.
Requisite court fee also not affixed.
Give me that.
There is a defective. It
Already
cannot-
served. Served.
No, requisite court fee also not paid, not affixed. It's affixed, I think. Then where is the defect? Applicant has not incorporated the paragraph as per the notification dated so and so. In the petition, later so. The applicant has not incorporated the paragraph as per the notification dated. Okay, there is a notification that you have to, have you stated that the accused is is not involved in any other criminal cases? Have you stated his antecedent, criminal antecedent? There is a defect, not mentioned. No paragraph as per the notification. There is a notification wherein it says that accused has to reveal the his criminal antecedent, that there is no any other criminal case pending against him. So that is mandatory now.
No, that I have mentioned, Lordship.
Where?
Uh,
Where is the
in my-
notification?
in my paragraph,
212. Do you have?
Uh,
Do we have?
Yes, there is. I have mentioned. Paragraph,
para 10. Para 10.
yes, para 10.
No past criminal record, and there is no chance.
Yes, para 10, page 6, Lordship. Para 10. That the may I read? That the petitioner begs to state that he has no past criminal record and there is no chances of absconding from the
What is the,
jurisdiction.
where is the notification? What the notification says?
What's your notification number? Also?
Number dated 2/12/2025. Guwahati High Court Rule, Chapter 11, Rule 7B. Chapter 11, Rule 7B. Where is 7B? Two, 12. Ask for the notification if it is available. What is this? 7B is not there. A is there. Ask to find out from 7B, please. Yes, what is the case in the meantime?
So case here is, let's see, the
Chapter 11, Rule 7B.
the Itanagar, the chairman of Itanagar Capital Complex, that is Child Welfare Committee, Itanagar Capital Complex, they lodged an FIR wherein this one minor girl found by the police, 7 years. Minor girl was found to be killed. May I take your honor for more clarity at page 12, annexure A, is the FIR, basing on which the FIR has been registered. May I read it?
Yes.
Yes, page 12, annexure A. To the officer in charge, so-and-so, Women Police Station, so-and-so, District Papumpare, so-and-so, subject direction for immediate legal action and investigation in respect of a minor girl aged about 7 years. Whereas the minor girl aged about 7 years was produced at Women Police Station, Itanagar, with visible mark of serious physical assault on her body, and the matter was brought to the notice of the Child Welfare Committee, Itanagar, on dated so-and-so, 7 February 2026. And whereas upon interaction with the child of the undersigned, chairperson so-and-so, Papumpare, councillor, then disclosed, and accordingly this letter was submitted to the Women Police Station, and accordingly they have registered a case against a particular alleged accused person who has, I have no connection with this instant child also. This is a different issue and different case. And the child which I am talking about, the child which I am having is an adopted child from the mother. One of the accused in this
What
matter.
is the age of the child?
It was only 10 months.
Now,
Now it is
there a
around
procedure-
6
there
to
is a
7.
procedure for adoption. Have you adopted as per the procedure? From adoption
Lordship,
center?
Lordship,
Adoption center?
since it was pre-consent of both the parties, accepted by both the parties.
Cannot. In any case, it cannot. Not possible at all. How it can be? There is a procedure for adoption.
No,
There is
Lordship,
adoption center also.
that's I
He has
accept,
to
Lordship.
to deliver there, and then from there only, as per the procedure, by following entire procedure for adoption, one can adopt.
Now, only on the ground of inquiry, my wife was called by the police, Itanagar police, and she was arrested and
I think
arrested.
similar case was there, I think.
Yes.
Where is?
AB number 9 of
Yes,
2026.
yes. Where is that order?
Order,
AB number
I
9.
don't have that order right now.
I think we have granted probably.
Yes, interim was.
Interim was granted. I
Yes.
think similar case. It's
Yes.
Arising
yes,
out of
the
same.
arising out of the
Which is go.
same cause. But in my case, I have a different story because I have directly nothing to do with the instant FIR or this report of the
Why your wife was then arrested?
way back in 2008, sometime in the year 2018 to 19, only 10 months old. Because I am a
2019.
18 to 19.
18 then. What then her age would be now 7 years.
Yes, hardly
Still with-
6
she
to
is still
7
with-
years.
she is still with-
Six half or 7.
Whether that child is still with you.
Yes, it was with me, but due to this investigation, that the child has been taken custody by them, and I am
No, not the present one child.
no, that child is different one. My child is different one. Their child is different one. I'm now shedding tears.
Now, whether your wife has been released,
Lordship,
wife has been released. Your wife,
my wife is under custody. Therefore, my
when,
son,
when she was arrested,
he was arrested on 13th of this
and you are
February.
main culprit, wife is involved, you are involved.
Therefore, I have no, even my wife's involvement has, there is no any prima facie that I have been involved in the
When-
instant case.
Your
Simply,
wife-
we have been
when your
implicated.
Wife was arrested, you said?
13.
13.
Yes, he has been remanded to judicial custody for 14 days. So
Now
my
today-
submission
today-
is that
Today is
today is 17,
17, and then your wife is there
under custody.
since 13.
Yes. And she is the only mother who take
Whe-
care of
whether
our
bail
children.
application- Whether bail application made?
Uh, Bail will be moved by tomorrow.
It's difficult.
Therefore, now,
Now we need to call for the record whether you are involved or not. We do not know.
that's why
Because
Lordship,
you said
that
that you
is,
have adopted illegally,
no,
whether this
Lordship.
child or not. we
With
do
the
not
full
know.
consent of the mother,
It will be
without there being any illegality, there is no any transaction, no human trafficking, nothing sort, Lordship.
You yourself
even-
say that there was a
Not
not
even a
adopted-
single
not
sex-
adopted as per the procedure. You say yourself says, then what is the involvement then?
emotionally we have accepted because I being
That is
I
why-
being
that
a
is why
ma-
there is an adoption center.
I am a married and my wife
That is why you can legally adopt the child.
yeah
Not-
that is
not,
fine.
Not the way you have adopted.
So we have only to
Give the number, Mr. Lana Additional PP, give the number because same case, arising out of the same case.
09.
And then
Baby
date,
them.
maybe, no, get it printed. Because this arising out of same. And then similar case, I thought this the same husband.
no.
No,
Because
no.
they are also wife arrested.
Yes, husband.
Husband says
apprehended,
that I'm not involved.
apprehension.
Same,
Yes.
same case.
So since Lordship, my children are now today their examination schedule is today from today only. This class 10 standard, then class 4 is standard, then two children. I have no one to take care. Mother is inside the jail. I am alone. If I am put inside the jail, I'll be harassed without any justification, Lordship. Therefore, there is none to take care. We are shedding tears for our daughter since they have taken custody. Because from since 6 to 7 years, we have been taking care
Now,
and we
at
nurture.
this age also, you give the child, where is, no, the child without following the proper procedure for adoption, it will be difficult.
Your Honor, may I take your Honor at the page 15? Annexure, this is the school attendance certificate, attendance.
The same thing, I think.
yes.
In that case also,
Yes, we are giving him good educations. We are providing all the facilities or comfort life of these children as a daughter, not as a child labor.
Besides child labor, the allegation is also for a trafficking.
And
traffic,
this is the attendance sheets and
and in that case, probably some photographs were also.
Yes, photograph, school photographs.
School going girl photographs. And in your case, were the photograph annexed?
School attendance sheet.
at
enclosed.
school attendance sheet is there, Lordship,
Where?
at page 20 also. Page 20,
What is the name of the child?
Pema Boje. So all the mothers, all the family members are there crying like anything. Because since her adoption, the family were very happy that we have got a girl child. Because I have only two boys. I have no issue of girl child. Since I have no girl issue, since I have taken from my heart and soul as a adopted daughter.
What is the name of the accused?
This is Pema Sange Sring Serpa.
So the daughter is Boje?
Yes.
How?
Actually, it is in her mother's name title only. Mother's title right now. Mother is a Boje. Mother is Jumpi Boje, who has been arrested.
Same PS case.
Yes. Ita women PH case number same. 09 of
Ita women
2026.
PS case. 909, same.
Yes, 09.
Same case.
And your lordship, page 21, annexure C series is the exam schedule of my children who are now appearing CBSE class 12 senior secondary certificate examinations. Their mother is arrested. Since mother arrested, so there is no one to take care. If I am arrested, if I am not granted pre-arrest bail, there is no one to look after, lordship.
Who is the main accused involved in that case? Do you know?
Main accused involved in this case is one. I have mentioned somewhere. Okay. This one, page 4, para 4, page 4, last paragraph. Srimati Viswas, Rupa Viswas.
Rupa Viswas?
Yes. And other one, Doke is there. As per this, your lordship, I'll take you again at page 12. Page 12. Page 12, annexure A, down below. There is written, 1, that she was brought from state of Assam. 2, she was made to work as a domestic helper at the residence of someone named Doke. Doke family. That is page 12, annexure A, last paragraph.
Who is Doke? How Doke is connected with you?
No, this case has nothing to do with me, lordship. This is the allegation which the Child Welfare Development Welfare Committee has lodged FIR before this one, police. I do not know who is this Doke is, even. Doke family.
Yes, you can call for record then to clarify.
Yes, call for record.
Heard Mr.
Lordship.
Boje, Line Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. G. Dada, Line additional PP for the state respondent staff. The petitioner filed this application under section 4A, under section 482 of the BNFF. What is this? 480?
480, BNSS.
480 or 480?
Yes, 480.
BNSS.
BNS. And, yeah.
How it is 480? If you are seeking anticipatory bail,
Pre-arrest bail.
how it is 480? Can you check?
When bail may be taken in case of non-bailable offense.
Okay. I thought this is pre-arrest bail.
482.
Oh, Lordship,
This is the-
there is a typographical error, Lordship. Sorry for that.
It's 482 only.
Yes.
Council.
Typographical error.
Please correct it. Otherwise, there cannot be any pre-arrest bail. But then it has to be corrected through in presence of the registry, Register Judicial. This cannot be actually. This is not allowed, Council. It has to be corrected through in presence of registry. But then since it will not be allowed for the second time, huh? You just inform the registry, okay?
Okay.
I filed this anticipatory bail, and since it was urgent, I requested, and then it was to be signed before the registry judicial. So kindly endorse. For correction, you need to actually file one IA. You inform the registry, or else in the next date, it will be a problem for you. Okay, and apprehending his arrest. His arrest in connection with Itanagar WPS case number 09/2026. Under section 93/1172/125B /1434 143(4) within bracket /127 within bracket 4 146 BNS read with section 14(1) child labor under bracket prohibition and regulation bracket close act read with section 75 Juvenile Justice Act 2025. The petitioner filed this application under section 482 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita 2023, seeking grant of pre-arrest bail. It is submitted that based on the report and complaint dated 7/2/2023, lodged by the chairperson of ICR, Child Welfare Committee, Capital Complex, Itanagar, alleging that on interaction of child produced at Women Police Station, Itanagar, it was revealed that she was brought from Assam, brought from state of Assam, and made to work as domestic helper at residence of one Doke family at F sector, Itanagar. Where do you stay? The applicant.
Applicant here is staying presently at Chempo.
Okay. See, there is a notification which I have no right to correct also. Doke family of F sector, Itanagar. And due to continuous torture, she ran away on 6/2/2026 at night. The aforesaid women PS case was registered. Stop. In connection with the aforesaid case, the accused persons were arrested. Accused person. Have you stated that Doke was arrested?
Even that, I do not know whether they are arrested or not.
It is the Land Council for the petitioner submits that in connection with the aforesaid case, one Srimati Doke is reported to have been arrested. Stop. Para. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that the present accused person is nowhere connected with the aforementioned aforesaid women PS case number 09/2026. 09/26. However, he stated that, have you stated that you have adopted this child?
Yes, I have adopted.
However, he stated that one girl child was adopted
Yes.
by him in the year 2000. Where have you stated? 2000.
And that
18.
specifically, I have not mentioned. I have adopted sometime in the year
See,
18 to
why you
9.
did not mention?
18 to 19.
How do you expect the court to understand everything and without revealing anything? This is this amount to concealment of the fact.
No, Lordship.
You are saying that you have adopted a child. What nonsense is it? Egypt, it's a right.
No, Lordship.
See,
Sometimes
adoption, there is adoption procedure. There is a procedure for adoption of the child.
that is fine.
And then you are easily saying that child was adopted. You do not know, not even ready to reveal when it was adopted. Now the same age, 7 years, you recovered.
No, that child is a different child, Lordship.
Different child, how would we know?
That is identified and
How would we know? And then you are not ready to reveal the date also, the year also, when you were you brought the child. See, they have to some logical, you see. And then why should you actually?
that fact has been, Lordship, I'm very sorry, miss out. But however, I have admitted that I have adopted the child.
Adopted one girl child in during the year 2018.
18 to 19,
18, 19.
in between.
Which is altogether different from the aforesaid case registered against one Srimati Dopke staff. However, in connection with the aforesaid women PS case number 9 2026, his wife, what is her name?
Srimati
Name is
Jumpi Boje
Jumpi Boje
Sring.
Siring.
Yes.
Jumpi.
Yeah, Jumpi.
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 Jumpi Boje
Sring.
Siring.
Her title
Was arrested when? On
13th of this February.
2026. Although she is not connected with the aforesaid women PS case number 9 2026. Stop. As his wife has been arrested in connection with the above women PS case, women PS, only because we have adopted one girl child. The petitioner, although no any allegation has been made against him, has a reasonable apprehension that he may also be arrested in connection with the aforementioned women PS case and cause unnecessary harassment stuff. Hence, this application seeking pre-arrest bail. The petitioner, the allowing counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is ready. Petitioner is ready and willing to cooperate with the investigation of the case. And is and to furnish adequate bail, bail and surety, adequate bail, bond and surety, and to abide by any terms and conditions for his bail. Stop. Para. Call for the scanned copy of the case diary. Issue notice to the respondent. Since Mr. Tado, Lanet, additional PP, enters, appear and accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. Huh? Para. List this matter again on when? When? After a week. After a week would be 25. 25. 25. Okay, 25. Stop. Para. In the meantime, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the accused applicant, what is his name?
Sange Sering Serpa.
Sange Sering Sepa. Serpa or Sepa?
Serpa.
You have written Sepa again.
It's a Serpa.
Lot of mistake. It cannot be, huh? So many mistakes. In connection with Itanagar WPS case number 09/2026 under section same, huh? 93 1172 125B 1434, huh? So of the BNS read with section 14I child level prohibition, etc. Okay. Act read with section 75 JJ Act. He shall be released. After comma, huh? He shall be released on interim anticipatory bail on execution on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 25,000 only, with one surety of like amounts to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following conditions. Para. 1. That the accused shall cooperate and appear before the IO of the case as and when called for. Next, after semicolon, that the accused shall not try to contact, intimidate, or threaten the witnesses, including the victim or any of our family member, semicolon. That he shall not influence, or not try to influence or coerce the witness connected to the instant case, and shall not tamper with the evidence in any manner. Stop. In the event of violation of any of the above conditions, the interim anticipatory bail shall stand cancelled on application of the prosecution. Okay. Yeah. Stop. List the matter again on
Lordship,
25.
Lordship, may I pray that on 2025 it coincide with my another case.
When?
It may it be fixed on 27?
27.
Yes.
That would be the last date.
27.
That would be the last date for 27 would be difficult.
25 and
27,
26, it coincide with my case.
Then 24. 24, 23, any day.
Okay. Highly obliged, Lordship.
When? 24.
Okay. Lordship, it may be, if it is fixed appropriately on 27, it would be good.
27.
Yes.
27 not possible, I said.
Then your Lordship, on 3rd March.
3rd March.
3rd March.
Yes. Highly obliged, Lordship.
Yeah, notification.